Today is a good day.
Today is a good day.
I like every day.
I like every day.
It is a sunny day.
It is a sunny day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
The day is long.
The day is long.
I work every day.
I work every day.
I run every day.
I run every day.
I work this week.
I work this week.
See you next week.
See you next week.
This week is busy.
This week is busy.
A week has 7 days.
A week has 7 days.
I love this week.
I love this week.
I stay home this week.
I stay home this week.
I will travel for 2 weeks.
I will travel for 2 weeks.
A month has 4 weeks.
A month has 4 weeks.
This month is cold.
This month is cold.
My birthday is next month.
My birthday is next month.
I will visit you this month.
I will visit you this month.
February is a short month.
February is a short month.
The month has ended.
The month has ended.
I see my friends on the weekend.
I see my friends on the weekend.
I love the weekend.
I love the weekend.
Have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend.
I sleep late on the weekend.
I sleep late on the weekend.
We go out on the weekend.
We go out on the weekend.
What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
A year has 12 months.
A year has 12 months.
I am 10 years old.
I am 10 years old.
She travels every year.
She travels every year.
This year is great.
This year is great.
I graduated this year.
I graduated this year.
I buy a book every year.
I buy a book every year.
A decade is 10 years.
A decade is 10 years.
They lived here for a decade. A lot can change in a decade.
A lot can change in a decade.
This decade is different.
This decade is different.
He wrote the book in a decade.
He wrote the book in a decade.
The company grew in a decade.
The company grew in a decade.
A century is 100 years.
A century is 100 years.
This house is a century old.
This house is a century old.
We live in the 21st century.
We live in the 21st century.
That happened a century ago.
That happened a century ago.
A century is a very long time.
A century is a very long time.
Cars changed in this century.
Cars changed in this century.
A millennium is 1,000 years.
A millennium is 1,000 years.
We started a new millennium in 2000.
We started a new millennium in 2000.
A millennium is very long.
A millennium is very long.
History is more than a millennium.
History is more than a millennium.
Many things change in a millennium.
Many things change in a millennium.
This tree lived for a millennium.
This tree lived for a millennium.
Tom is a happy boy. Every day, he wakes up early. Every week, he plays football with his friends. After 2 weeks, he goes to visit his grandpa. Tom loves every month of the year. On the weekend, he goes to the park to relax. This year, Tom is 10 years old. A decade ago, Tom was just a small baby. Tom lives in an old house. This house is beautiful. It was built a century ago. Near the house, there is a very big mountain. The mountain stood there for a millennium. Tom smiles and thinks, time is wonderful.